Okay, good evening, dear students. Today we are going to discuss about the multiplicative identity and multiplicative inverse, as you see on the screen. Okay, now first we are discussing about the multiplicative identity. Okay, multiplicative identity. One is known as the multiplicative identity. Okay, why one is known as the multiplicative identity? Because when we have to multiply any number with 1, suppose we have to multiply 2 and 1, then answer will be 2. Again you see, I have multiplied -1 with 1, then again answer will be -1. Suppose I have to multiply 3 with 1, then answer will be 3. Okay, for these three cases, here you see, we have to multiply 2 with 1, the answer will be 2. We have to multiply -1 with 1, then answer will be -1. We have been multiplied 3 with 1, then answer will be 3. That means when we have to multiply any number with 1, then the answer will be the same. Okay, that's why 1 is known as the multiplicative identity. Maybe all of you understood it. 1 is known as the multiplicative identity because why? When we have to multiply any number with 1, the answer will be the same. Suppose we have to multiply 2 with 1, the answer will be 2. We have to multiply -1 with 1, then answer will be -1. We have to multiply 3 with 1, then answer will be 3. Like that, when we have to multiply any number with 1, then answer will be that particular number. That's why 1 is known as the multiplicative identity. Understood? Now we have to discuss about the multiplicative inverse. Okay, here you see what do we mean by multiplicative inverse. Suppose we have 2. Okay, now as you all know, multiplicative identity is 1. That's why we have to see by which number we have to multiply it with 2 to make the answer 1. That means when we have to multiply any number with 2, then it will be equal to 1. Then this particular number is known as the multiplicative inverse of 2. That's why we have to multiply 1 by 2 with 2. Therefore, you see 2 and 2 cancelling out and 1 will be left. That means answer will be left. So how will we find the multiplicative inverse? How will find the multiplicative inverse? Suppose any number is given to you. Suppose 3 is given and we need to multiply. Suppose 3 is given to you and we need to. Suppose 3 is given to you and we need to find the multiplicative inverse of 3. Now, how we have to find the multiplicative inverse? Here you see. First of all, we have to make the answer 1. That's why we can see which number we have to multiply with 3 to make the answer 1. That's why we have to multiply with here 1 by 3. Now 3 and 3 will be cancelling out, then answer will be 1. That's why the multiplicative inverse of 3 is 1 by 3. Understood it? You have to, if you understood it, then please like and comment and subscribe my channel. If you don't understood, again you have to comment. I have to explain it briefly. Okay, thank you.